I remember. Damn, I miss those days. I remember. Things will never be the same. I remember.
Me say, go river this morning. You know say me and me gun close them when me go plan all daytime. So me is tired. So me say me swat me gun close them. So me can't me feel go gun close them. I go a river. Go a river. Me say, only thing is to say, we go book up J-Post down there. After me down there, take out 2 pieces of gun close and shake out in the water there. Me only here, J-Post bust out laughing. So me say J-Post here last so far. So J-Post can't apply. So me say, you don't know about me. Me say, when J-Post still alive, me say J-Post a what? J-Post start paying for me bunga, me dirty bunga close. And me say, what J-Post? And we will look over there. Can't even talk. Let me go show you. Can't talk no time. Have a show you. Have a show you. Because me don't understand how me respect this happen. How you could have let this happen? See ya. Big old bingo job body. You man get to in a dirty bongo. Then one J-Post account me say, he might go tell the boy them point them know say me I watch me with jazz. You know when he did it I laugh. Me don't go to whoa overhead. You hear me now? Go tell them now. Can I go tell them now? Can you make your thing go tell them? Go tell them say you put on me with jazz over your head too. You a big old jazz, big like a where noted artist name again, Gulliver. When one time woman name again.
Amari.
Yes, big like Amari, big bingo jazz. Big. So at that I go along. And then no say. I also me working. So me come here, me tell me say, don't make it again. Cause me again, not go like it. Cause me tell me because me know saying go market. No saying go market and tired. I am should go down and go wash me. And me know saying go market and tired. So me say, Tanya, I'm feeling pressure them. I roast them till me come. And me go down there and we embarrass me. Try to shame me.
Man, Mary come for you, grandpa.
Mary don't know them never read nobody. Big old bingo jazz, Mary's in thing. That's how it's done. Out of but anyhow, you check out me page, Grandpa Speaks Out, and you like it. And talk about me can't get pursue no. Because I don't understand how no one watch me and now look come over page, come look. Look who they come look. Grandpa, Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. And this time, a difference in thing. You see what I say? Alright. I say no. Alright.
Singing like the cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a game that they won't be to lose. Remember those days.